to the Oregon coast. We needed a little bit of a break to catch up on videos and work, etc. And now that that is finally done, we get a little bit of playtime before we move further up the coast. So today we are at Hasita Head. It is a lighthouse in Florence, Oregon. We're gonna do a couple other little things around here, maybe check out the sea lion caves, we might go surfing later, I don't know. But right now we're gonna check out this super cool lighthouse on the cliffs of the coast. Who's a grouch? Going to the beach. Sun's out. It's not as cold as it's been. The marine layer is gone, so we are going surfing.
Hey everybody! Today is a sunny beach day. Haha! It's nice. It's been overcast for a while. We are in Florence, Oregon, over at the South Jetty beach. Right here is the South Jetty. And behind me you might see some nice beautiful little rolling waves coming in right now. Today's swell forecast is 3 to 4 feet, so waist to shoulder high surf. And it's cold. So full suits are not optional, and Tucker's gonna hang out on the board for a few minutes here. Gonna get some surf practice in. We're gonna walk to the nose. Look at that boy walking the board. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that hang 10. Woo! He's a natural longboarder. Walking that board.